Arlo Pro 5's 2K Spotlight Camera Review, a premium wireless security solution. If you're looking for a high-quality home security camera, the Arlo Pro 5's 2K Spotlight Camera, 4-pack, is a top contender. With 2K HDR video, color night vision, and a 160 degrees wide field of view, this wireless system ensures that every detail is captured, day or night. Key features and performance. The 2K HDR resolution provides sharp, clear images with a 12x zoom, making it easy to identify faces or license plates. Unlike traditional black and white night vision, color night vision allows you to see critical details even in low light conditions. The built-in spotlight adds an extra layer of security by illuminating dark areas and deterring intruders. The dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, ensures a strong, stable connection, reducing video lag and disconnect ions. Plus, the wireless design makes installation effortless, with rechargeable batteries and included mounting accessories. Arlo's Secure Plan trial offers 30-day cloud storage and smart detection features for people, packages, and vehicles. However, after the trial, a paid subscription is required to continue accessing these premium features. Pros and cons. Pros: 2K HDR video with 12x zoom. Color night vision and built-in spotlight. Wide 160 degrees field of view. Dual-band Wi-Fi for reliable connectivity. Easy wireless installation. Cons: requires subscription for full features. Batteries need periodic recharging. Slightly higher price compared to competitors. The Arlo Pro 5's 2K Spotlight camera is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking advanced security features with premium video quality. If you're okay with the subscription model, it's a top-tier investment in home security. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.